Hi, if you are new here, welcome to Best Kitchen Guide. In this channel, we aim to inform you about the latest and greatest tools that are used in kitchen and cooking. If a product passes our rigorous testing, only then it gets recommended by us so that our viewers don't have to face any buyer's remorse. Our evaluating process includes extensive testing, features, and prices. So if you pick the items featured in this video, you can be well assured that you are buying the best product possible. Please check the description below for our featured top 5 product links from Amazon for updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started.
Our number one choice for top 5 best dishwasher cleaner is Afresh dishwasher cleaner tablets. Afresh is formulated to break down limescale and mineral buildup in stainless steel and plastic tub dishwashers. The EPA recognizes the septic-approved tablets as safe for both your home and the environment. You can use Afresh to clean your dishwasher on an empty cycle or run a tablet through with a full load to descale your dishes and glasses. Each easy-to-use tablet is specially formulated to help remove limescale and mineral buildup that can be unsightly and could affect your dishwasher's performance. Afresh dishwasher cleaner tablets clean inside your machine while your detergent safely cleans your dishes. Tablets are designed to descale your dishes and glassware, leaving them sparkling. Number 2 in our side is Finish Dual Action Dishwasher Cleaner. If you're looking to remove and prevent limescale, we suggest Finish Dishwasher Cleaner. It breaks down and effectively dissolves limescale, grease accumulation, and detergent buildup while cleaning all interior components of your dishwasher. Your dishwasher may look clean, but when grease and limescale build up inside the hidden parts, it's not as hygienic as you think. Place bottle upside down in the dish rack. Keep cap on and make sure wax plug is exposed. Do not use any soap or dishwasher detergent. Third in our best dishwasher cleaner list is Glisten Dishwasher Magic Machine Cleaner. Glisten Dishwasher Magic is a tried-and-true cleaner and disinfectant. The powerful liquid formula gets rid of grease, breaks down food remnants, and removes soap residue, hard water, and rust. Additionally, it dissolves all buildup, clogging the jets, pipes, and tubes, so your dishwasher runs as efficiently as possible. Removes rust and buildup caused by hard water, grease, detergent, and food residues. Glisten, the machine cleaning experts, offers a dishwasher cleaner and disinfectant. Over time, your dishwasher develops buildup from food residues, hard water, and detergent, which can lead to the presence of harmful bacteria and affect the machine's cleaning performance. Ideal for use since it does not contain harsh and abrasive chemicals. Let's watch how to use this. Our fourth pick is EcoGals Dishwasher Cleaner. If you prefer green cleaning products, EcoGals Eco Scrubs is an excellent choice. These environmentally friendly tablets have a special foaming formula that cleans your dishwasher and eliminates funky smells without any strong fragrances. A clean kitchen and a fresh odorless dishwasher are essential to happy dishes and happy people. Eco Scrubs are designed to be hassle-free dishwasher cleaner tablets. Simply place a tablet in your dishwasher without dishes and run. And boom! No more stinky, grimy dishwasher. Many of our customers had no idea a product like this existed and were unsure how to take care of their dishwasher now that they were full of odor-causing residues. Now they feel safe and happy that their dishwasher is tidy, working properly, and humming in the background to wash their dishes. Let's watch more. Last in this list is Lemme Shine Dishwasher Cleaner. If you want to get serious about deodorizing your dishwasher, we recommend Lemme Shine. It's formulated to clean the machine that cleans your dishes, but its work doesn't end there. The pods dissolve odor, causing residues, bacteria, and other buildup on the walls and door gaskets. The Lemme Shine Dishwasher Cleaner uses powerful citric acid that is strong enough to remove hard water buildup and other gross gunk we'd rather not mention. Lemme Shine's biodegradable formulas don't sacrifice efficacy for cleaning power. Using the Lemme Shine Dishwasher Cleaner and Deodorizer at least once a month restores your machine's performance, leaving it clean, smelling fresh, and extending its life. At Lemme Shine, if an ingredient isn't safe, we don't go near it. Our dishwasher cleaner and deodorizer is safe and effective, leaving your dishwasher